This is my review of the CYMA CM018A2 Desert Eagles. I got these off eBay, 2 of them. They suck ass. This one, I got it, I opened it. It didn't even work, still doesn't work. This one, it didn't work either. I fixed it though. Cheap ass light. These are the cheapest goggles I've ever seen. They suck. I could probably shoot through them. They sent it to me with the BB bag open. They fell over the box. This gun has no power at all. It's probably about 10 feet per second. Yeah, I'll shoot my foot and it won't even do anything. Actually, that kind of stung a little bit, but not really. It sucks. And when I say suck, this is the biggest piece of shit I have ever owned.